In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your profile on Facebook. By the end, you will have tighter control over who can find you, what they can see, and how your past and future posts appear to others. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. On the main screen, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. If the layout looks a little different on your device, don't worry, Facebook updates its menus from time to time. You can also use the search bar at the top of Settings to quickly find the options we're about to adjust. Now, look for the section called How People Find and Contact You. This area controls how easily others can locate your profile and what they can see at a glance. Open it and tighten each option. For who can send you friend requests, choose the most restrictive option available on your account. Typically friends of friends. For who can see your friends list, change it to only me if you want maximum privacy. Or friends if you still want your network to be visible to people you trust. For who can look you up using the email address or phone number you provided. Set these to friends so strangers can't search you by contact info. Still in the same section, find the option that asks if search engines outside of Facebook should link to your profile. Turn this off. This prevents your profile from appearing in places like Google or Bing, making it significantly harder for people to stumble across your account from the open web. Next, go back to Settings and scroll to Audience and Visibility. Tap Posts here. Set who can see your future posts to friends. This changes your default posting audience going forward. So if you forget to adjust a post later, it will still be shared only with your friends by default. You can always override this on a per-post basis if needed. Finally, use the Limit Past Posts feature in the same Posts section. This is a powerful one-click way to change any old public or friends of friends posts to friends only. Keep in mind that if you later decide to make something visible more broadly, you'll need to change the audience for that individual post manually. That's it. Thanks for watching.